Hey GlamFam, welcome back besties. Today we are going to be installing some French braids. Now it's a school day and so this little one has to go to school tomorrow. So we are just doing around her head tonight and then we'll finish the rest of it on the weekend. So you know these hairs are very silky and so you'll have to come up like with a strategy to tie the ends of it. At first we were going to use rubber bands, but then it was too tiny to use rubber bands, so I'm just going to tie the ends of it, and I'll give you guys a close-up in just a moment. So here is a close-up. I'm gonna do this one as though I am doing like cornrows, like braids, because it's so silky. You want to make sure that you're spreading her hair itself, like the third strand, you're sharing that among the other two hairs, that way it's not like slipping off. So you're sharing and holding your grip as you go along. And then I'm going to show you how you can also go by using her hair as just the third strand. And then I'm going to also show you guys how I tie the ends when we get there. So just give me a few seconds. Okay, so to tie, you are going to take a skinny piece from any side, whichever side, whether you're a lefty or you're right-handed, and I'm going to wrap twice and then pull under like so. Tighten, and then I'm going to tug on it. That's it. You can replay that if you would like. So here's another close-up with the third strand. You want to make sure that you have that grip, and then before you even start to braid down, you are sharing the third strand, which is her hair, because if you don't do that, in my opinion, it's going to slide off. So that's pretty much it. And then your fingers will tell you which strand is too bigger or if you need to let some of it go. Alright guys, we're about done, and this is what it looks like, all done. This is not human hair, so after a while, maybe about 3 weeks or so, if you're not using a detangler of some sort, it's going to get nappy because it is not human hair. But it's pretty when it's done. There goes Rapunzel. Leave us a comment down below and remember to subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.